Hey everybody, welcome to the Printing United show. I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and I'm excited to show you the latest innovation from Stahls Hotronix in heat printing technology. It's called the Hotronix ProPlace IQ, and I'm going to show you what this is all about. We have a Hotronix dual air fusion heat press here set up, which has been one of our best-selling presses on the market for efficiency. So while the operator is loading one side of the platen and locking the machine down, they can step to the side and load the other side. It's a fully automatic machine. And so that alone with the foot pedal to slide it back and forth, locking it down, and then the automatic shuttle after it's been locked down and opens is phenomenal for speeding up your production, okay? And so that's been a great seller. People have bought the dual air fusion just for that alone. But now there's something even better, and that's called the ProPlace IQ. So the ProPlace IQ is a projection system that mounts onto the Hotronix dual air fusion. You can buy a new dual air fusion with it, that it comes all integrated and built in, or if you already own a dual air fusion, you can add it retro. Let me show you how it works. Let's get a shirt loaded on here. As always, Hotronix has this threadable design, which is a hallmark of the Hotronix design. That makes it very easy to split and load your shirt and make sure your printing area is completely flat. And so we recommend just draping that collar off the edge. That's how you set your shirt up to be able to make the most of this innovation. Now we see something different here. This is the Hotronix IQ Cloud software, and we're actually able to upload our files, our transfer files, into the IQ Cloud software, select the platen that we're using, and position the design on the shirt. When I click it after it's laid out on the shirt, basically what you're going to see is the transfer project down onto the platen. So in this case, you can see the transfer project down onto the platen. You can move this design around the platen, right? If you want to change where it's laid out, center it, move it down from the collar. You just position it where you want. You click save to save the design, and then you put it straight to the projection, right? And so that's how you can get the perfect placement every time. Now, with it projecting onto the shirt, I just place the transfer to the light. So it's very easy to see where the design's supposed to go. I just match my design to the light, and it's ready to heat apply. So I'm gonna do that one more time for you to make sure everybody saw it. It projects down onto the platen. I take my Ultra Color Max direct to film transfer, place it to the light, and now I'm ready for the application. Now, if you've never used Ultra Color Max direct to film transfers, they're unlike any heat transfer in the market because there's no minimum order quantity, so you can get them fast. You can do unlimited colors. There's no clear outlines to worry about. And they are a true hot peel, pressing only at 290 degrees. So want to decorate performance wear? You can do it, and now you can do it fast and accurately with Ultra Color Max, the Hotronix dual air fusion, and the ProPlace IQ. So hot peel release. This press even allows you to kind of slide the garment out, spin it around. So if you're printing lots of fronts and backs, I can quickly get to my back placement, select my new design from the drop-down list, and project that on. So the ProPlace IQ requires you to outfit it with your own computer separately, whether it's one like we have here where we bought a mounting system to attach to the machine, plug into the back with an HDMI cable, and you're just gonna run your projection to the machine. There's lots more to tell you about this technology, but what I want you to hear is this helps you become a more accurate heat printer, a more efficient heat printer, and a more profitable heat printer, allowing you to do more work in less time and get on to other things that you need to do in your business and make a lot of money doing it. The Hotronix ProPlace IQ is coming soon to Stahls UK.